The density of a material is a measure of how much mass a certain volume of the material contains. So let's compare two examples, a feather and also a rock. A feather has a much lower density, similar to materials like wood and foam. A rock, however, has a high density, similar to metals. Now, density isn't the same as mass, so we could have 1 kilogram of feathers and 1 kilogram of rocks, but we would need a lot more feathers. For your exam, you don't need to know the exact densities of these objects, but you should be able to recognise common examples of light and heavy objects. So let's have a look at the relation between mass and density. For two objects of the same volume, the object with the larger density will have the larger mass. So say we have a ball of wood and also a ball of metal, each with the same volume. The metal ball has a much greater density, but it has the same volume as the wooden ball, so it therefore must also have a greater mass. So what measurements do we need to take to determine the density of an object? Well, we can measure the density of an object by finding its mass and its volume. By placing the object on a pan balance, we can obtain a mass measurement. Then we can measure the volume of an object by placing it in water and measuring the change in the water level, or how much the water has been displaced by. We can also calculate the volume of regular objects, such as spheres, mathematically.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!